Wednesday? Which day? After Sunday? Thursday? No, very bad. Remember, please remind. Which day will come after Sunday? Yes, Monday. So children, today is Monday. First of all, we will sing song. There are how many days? Yes, 7 days. How many days? 7 days. Okay, now show me your 7 finger and sing. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday. Repeat after me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So children, how many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Okay, now, okay children, do you remember which sound we learned? Can you tell me which sound is this? Do you remember which sound is this? Yes, which sound is this? Can you sing song related to the kha sound? Okay. All of you stand up. Can you please stand up? Stand up. Stand up. Please stand up. I am watching you. Please stand up. Yes. Good. Now start. 1, 2, 3. Start. Are you ready? Oh, yes. Are you ready? Oh, yes. Okay. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky, kites are flying in the sky, ka. Sing one more time. Kites are flying in the sky, ka. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, ka. Kites are flying in the sky, ka. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, ka. So children, which sound is this? Ka. Okay, all of you sit down. Okay, children. Today, your new friend came. See? Hello kids! Hello kids! Hello kids! Oh, say hello to your friend. Good morning, your friend. His name Karan. What is the name? Karan. Karan, to say to hello friends. Hello. Say good morning. Good morning. And good morning, ma'am. You have to say good morning, ma'am. Okay? Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Karan. How are you, Karan? I am fine, thank you, ma'am. I am fine, thank you, ma'am. Oh, you are fine. Okay, Karan. Now tell me, Karan. Do you remember which sound is this? Can you tell me? Which sound is this? Ja, ja. Oh, no, Karan. It's not ja. See carefully. Which sound is this? Children, can you tell me which sound? Yes. See, children, listen. Which sound? K. Yes, K. And K for? What is this? See, what is this? Kite. Yes, kites. Kites flying the sky. See? So what is this? Kite. K. K for kite. Kite. Okay. Now, what is this? See, Karan? What is this? What is this? Chabi. Chabi? No. Tell me, what is this? Say key. K. K for key. Key. Okay, Karan. Now tell me. See. Which picture is this? See, Karan? Kangaroo. Yes. K. K for kangaroo. See, Karan? Kangaroo. Yes. And what is this? Which picture is this? See? Children, which picture is this? Raja. No, don't say Raja. Say K. K for, tell children, K for king. Say king. Karan, say king. I am a king. Yes, very good boy. Okay, Karan, now see. What is this? Children, see. Cat. No, don't say cat. Children, what is this? What we call cat baby? Kitten. K for kitten. Yes. Okay, Karan. Now tell me which picture is the children? See, Karan, which picture? Kettle. Which sound is that? K for kettle. K for Karan. See, what is this? King. K for kangaroo. See? Kangaroo. K for knife. K for kite. Children, K for, what is this? Key. Karan, which sound you have to learn? K. And K for, see, what is this? Mama make tasty food in this room. Which room? Mama make food which room? Kitchen. Very good. See? Kitchen. K for kitchen. Okay, children. Now, so Karan, which sound we have to learn? Can you tell me which sound? K. Children, which sound is this? K. Okay. Now, you have to learn very well. Okay. Keep learning. Okay, Karan? Yes, ma'am. Keep learning, children. Okay? Say bye-bye, Karan. Bye-bye. 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 Related to the kha sound like this. With action. Okay? Kites are flying in the sky. Kha, kha, kha. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky, kites are flying in the sky, kha. And send me by taking video. Okay, we will meet you again with my next video with new sound. Bye, see you, take care, bye-bye children.